You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of these colorful birds. We're going to be looking at how to say more vocabulary and more animal names as well in English. Too many people get confused by, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. So let's break down the name of these birds from across Africa and Asia and Europe. There's even two different ways of pronouncing it indeed. In English, hoopoe, hoopoe, you have a stress on the first syllable, or hoopoe is also correct. Hoopoe or hoopoo. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations of fascinating words in English. Stay tuned to the channel. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.